Someday really soon, we could see a solar-powered aircraft that can stay in the air for weeks, maybe even months without landing. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Skydweller Aero recently completed a series of uncrewed flight tests of its unmanned aerial system, with its longest flight being 22.5 hours. The flights were launched from the company's facility in Stennis International Airport in Mississippi. Now, why is this such a big deal? It is a glimpse into the future of long-endurance, eco-friendly flights. The coolest part? This aircraft runs entirely on solar power and batteries, producing zero emissions and operating ultra quietly. Dr. Robert Miller, the CEO and co-founder of Skydweller Aero, says this is just the beginning. They're aiming for perpetual flight. Imagine an aircraft that could stay airborne forever. The potential applications are mind-blowing. From maritime patrols to environmental monitoring, the possibilities are simply endless. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. That's where you can open a browser, go to cyberguy.com and get my newsletter for free by clicking the red button.